This is how I use a long put option to reduce my risk and short a stock if I see a downtrend in a stock. So in the chart, you can see this particular stock, BGNE, is going on a downtrend. Now, if you want to short this stock, this is what the risk graph may look like. So this particular risk graph shows you how much you can make or lose when the share price goes up or down. Looking at the vertical axis, as the share price goes down, now from $153 to $140, you see the profit increasing. This is the result of shorting 100 shares. Meaning to say you buy the shares at 153 and you can purchase them back at, let's say, 130, making you a $2,000 of profit. However, in shorting a stock, the biggest risk is when the share price increases, because if they increase, you are forced to buy back at a much higher price than you sold. So if you sell it at $153 and the share price increase to $180, you will lose $2,700. But this is not the end, because a share price can go unlimited upwards. If it goes up to $480, you will lose $32,000. But it doesn't stop there. It may go up to $1,000, $2,000 or $5,000. That's the reason when you short a stock, the maximum profit is when the share price goes to zero. In this case, you'll make $15,000. But if the share price goes up, your losses is infinite. Instead of shorting a stock, if I see a stock going down, I will buy a put. Because when you buy a put, all you need to do is to pay for the premium. And in this case, when I buy a put on BGNE, I pay $565. And when the share price goes down, you can see that I will make the profit. For example, if the share price goes down to $100, I'll make a near $2,000 worth of profit. But if the share price goes up, my maximum loss is capped at the premium I paid, which is $556. This is the smarter way to invest if you want to short a position. To learn more about options, follow this channel and click on the link for more resources.